The Great Sneeze Surprise. One sunny afternoon, Benny the bear and Tilly the turtle were playing hide-and-seek in the forest. Benny was counting, but suddenly his nose started to twitch. Ah, ah, achoo! Benny sneezed so hard, he flew up into the air, bouncing from tree to tree like a big furry ball. Tilly, still hiding, peeked out, confused. "Is it raining bears?" she giggled. Benny finally landed right in front of Tilly. "Well, I found you," he said, rubbing his nose. Tilly laughed. "More like you sneezed your way to me." And from that day, Benny was known as the Sneeze Seeker. End. Subscribe, follow now for more fresh stories.